Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are keeping safe. Yes, we are moving to a new house. Many of you have asked me to share my old house tour. So before moving to the new house, I thought of sharing with you all my old house tour. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. You'll like it. This is the front view of the house. It's a 4-bed semi-detached property. In the front you have two car park space and also there's some extra space since it's the last property. Now house is a place where people live and create memories. So this is a small house where we lived nearly 4+ years and created a lot of beautiful memories. Today sharing with you all few of them. Now going with the floor plans, I don't have the exact measurements of the house, but this floor plan looks much similar to mine. So in the ground floor we have a kitchen with dining, living and a washroom. On the first floor we have 3 bedrooms with 1 family bathroom. And on the second floor we have the master bedroom with ensuite facilities. It was moving day and we all were busy in the morning, moving things out and shifting. After this, we had a cleaner to clean the entire property. So I found some time to do an empty house tour before checking out. It was a very comfortable property and we accomplished a lot of good things here. Now we are moving towards the city side. So as you enter the house, you'll find a hall in front with various partitions towards the kitchen, upstairs and the living room. This is the living room. This was a nice room with good space. We spent most of our time here in this living room. This was our exercise room, prayer room, study, computer room, television room and everything. I also planned a dining table here in this room because the dining space in the kitchen given was very less. We celebrated a lot of beautiful moments in this room. And towards the other side, you also have the garden access to the French doors given. There's also a small storage space given towards the front end. This is the space under the staircase. Now checking out the garden space. It's a beautiful and lengthy garden with fence around it. We really enjoyed all the seasons here in this garden. At least we used to have now and then small walks here, chatting around. This year we had very heavy snow which lasted few days, and one of those days we really played a lot in the snow here in this backyard. It was very thrilling. We have some space towards the other side of the garden to put up bins and we can actually keep them outside through the front gate given here. So this is all about the garden and also the living room. Now since the cleaner is cleaning the kitchen, we'll check out the first floor. So this is the first bedroom on the first floor. It's small and nice. A double cot fits in and we could walk around. The ventilation also is really good here. There's a small dressing room coming beside it. We actually use this as a main bedroom. We still had a bigger bedroom on the top, but I really like this area, so we were using this as a main bedroom. And this dressing room also is small and sweet. We always talk about light and ventilation, but when we actually live we want privacy as well. So when we have these big windows, we actually close them with blinds most of the time, at least halfway, but still we used to get plenty of light here. Now just beside the bedroom we had the common bathroom. This had a bathtub, a water closet, and a sink. Now beside the family bathroom, we have the second bedroom of the house. This is Aryan's room. He had his computer table, cot and a wardrobe here. Aryan spent most of his time in this room here, doing his online classes and also playing Xbox games with his friends. If I needed him, I used to scream from downstairs and he used to come running. So just beside this second bedroom, you have the third bedroom of the house. This is the smallest bedroom. I made it a storeroom actually. We had all the wardrobes here in this room. There's still a very big window and plenty of light and ventilation we used to have. Now in the second and third bedrooms, you have the front view through these windows here. It's really beautiful. Now let's check out the second floor of the house. Here on the second floor, we have the master bedroom and an ensuite. This is the biggest bedroom. It was quite spacious actually. I used to like these windows, sliding windows. There was plenty of light and good ventilation. Almost in all the seasons, other than during the heavy rains, I used to keep them half open, even during winters. The heating used to be on the other side, but I still used to keep them open because we were using this ensuite mostly. So whenever I come, I try to keep it open. Little bit of small ventilation, you have all the time. But somehow I couldn't make it as my master bedroom because it was like on the top floor and you have to climb up and down every day. I was the only person who used to climb a lot. So this is the attached bathroom. You have the walk-in shower, sink and a water closet. It's a old house actually and little bit of maintenance is needed. Downstairs the cleaning is still going on, but I'll show you the kitchen and the washroom. So this is my small kitchen where I used to spend a lot of time cooking, cleaning and experimenting new dishes. They actually call it kitchen with dining, but I found the space really less for the dining table. So I used to store my grocery and use the other side space for chopping vegetables. Now this is the window with front view. The light comparatively was little less, but it was okay. I really made a lot of different varieties of dishes in this kitchen. When we were moving from London, Joe first saw this property and he told me that there are 2 bathrooms upstairs and 1 washroom in the ground floor, and also the living room is beautiful with garden access, and I immediately said yes because in London we were living in a 2-bedroom semi-detached. So you know how the houses are over there. This entire property is good and comfortable for 3 of us. The kitchen was little smaller and it's little dark, but I really liked it. I didn't have any issues with that. So this was the washroom here in the ground floor. You have the water closet, sink and there's a small window towards one side. Overall a decent property and we enjoyed a lot in this house. Now here I'll be sharing with you all few beautiful and expensive gifts which I received from ASAKUKI. In one of my earlier videos, I've shared a product from ASAKUKI that was oil diffusers and essential oils. Now here again they've sent me another essential oil diffuser and also a few essential oils and a Navigator 455W. So this is an unboxing video. I'll be sharing with you all these products and also their links will be given in the description box. You can check them out on Amazon. I have used their diffusers earlier and they're really helpful. I'll be sharing with you in the description box the demonstration video. Now inside the diffuser you'll find a small tank wherein you need to fill it with water and you can add some drops of essential oils here. So this is the pack of essential oils. You can choose any fragrance you want to, and once you turn it on you'll see a light and also a mist coming through. So the entire room will be filled with the beautiful fragrance. So this is the diffuser. It's got a wooden bottom. There are other models as well. So I'll be sharing with you all the links in the description. Do check them out. Now unboxing the next item, that's the Navigator. This is a projector which has got advanced features. This is ASAKUKI Navigator 455W native full HD and 1080 pixels. It's got 5G Wi-Fi projector from Amazon. At the moment they're giving some offer on it, so do check it out. I'll be sharing the link in the description. It's a beautiful and useful product. This is much advanced compared to other navigators, and since you have the Wi-Fi connectivity, it makes your work much easier and comfortable. So do check out this product on Amazon for better offers and deals. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.